Video structure for iPhone 7 review in 2025. 1. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the iPhone 7 in 2025. Is it still worth buying or is it outdated? Let's dive in. 2. Design and build quality. Talk about how the iPhone 7's design holds up today. Mention the iconic size, premium build, and its solid feel despite being several years old. It may not have the modern glass back or edge-to-edge display, but the iPhone 7 still feels sturdy and comfortable in the hand. 3. Performance. Discuss how the iPhone 7 runs iOS 16 or 17 smoothly, depending on updates. While it might not support the latest iOS features like the newest iPhones, for basic tasks, social media, and streaming, it still performs well. Camera. Talk about the 12-megapixel camera and how it performs in 2025. While it's not as advanced as the current iPhone cameras, the iPhone 7's camera still takes decent photos, especially in well-lit conditions. 5. Battery life. Battery life might be a bit of a struggle on older models, especially with battery wear. It's a good idea to replace the battery if you're buying a second-hand one. Discuss how long it lasts on a full charge with typical use in 2025. 6. Key limitations. The lack of Face ID, no wireless charging, and the older Lightning port are things to keep in mind if you're comparing it to newer phones. Mention its 3.5mm headphone jack, which some might still appreciate. 7. Is it worth it in 2025? If you're on a budget and looking for an affordable smartphone for everyday tasks, the iPhone 7 is still a great option. But if you need the latest features, you might want to look at newer models. 8. Conclusion. That's it for the iPhone 7 review in 2025. Let me know in the comments if you think it's still worth it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. This structure should keep the video clear, concise, and informative while covering the key points about the iPhone 7's relevance in 2025.